Welcome to the installation video of Lkeiyay Kids Bookshelf LKB007-3. Kids Bookshelf has undergone long distance transportation. If you encounter any problems such as damage or missing accessories, please contact customer service in a timely manner to resolve them. When assembling, it is recommended to wear the included gloves to avoid hand injuries. Please separate accessory A into accessories A1 and A2. Install 8 accessories A2 on board 1. Install 8 accessories A1 on board 1. Accessory A needs to be tightened clockwise. Install 2 accessories A2 on board 2. Install 2 accessories A1 on board 2. Please assemble Note 3 to Note 2. After the triangular arrow on accessory B is facing towards accessory A, place it into the hole and use a screwdriver to turn it clockwise 180 degrees. Do not use an electric screwdriver when locking accessory B. Please assemble Note 2 and Note 3 onto Note 1. Please note that the groove on board 4 indicated by the red line in the picture needs to be in the same direction as the groove on board 1. Install 2 accessories A2 on board 5. Install 2 accessories A1 on board 5. Please assemble Note 6 onto Note 5. Please assemble Note 5 and Note 6 onto Note 1. Please assemble the Note 7 wooden board into the main body of the bookshelf. Please do not install forcefully to avoid damage. Install 8 accessories A2 on board 8. Install 8 accessories A1 on board 8. Please assemble the Note 8 wooden board into the main body of the bookshelf. Please assemble accessory C and accessory D into the main body of the bookshelf.